Hi Fresno Unified students. We are taking a different approach to distance learning the next few weeks. You will not need a method book for these lessons. You will be receiving video instruction, the video instruction you're watching right now on YouTube, and a PDF of each exercise that I'm going to be going over. In these videos, I will walk you through the steps to learn each exercise so you can be successful. We will cover key signature, time signature, rhythms, and note names. Then you will hear what it sounds like on a real instrument and get an opportunity to practice. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap and count rhythms, and you can review note names and airplay your instruments. Hi, advanced clarinet and trumpet players. We're going to start this week with exercise 1. This is a treble clef. Everybody say treble clef. Treble clef is the clef that your instrument is in. Now we're going to move on to the time signature. And you probably know this already, but we're going to review it anyway. The top 4 in the time signature and 4/4 time means that there are 4 beats in a measure. How many beats are in a measure? 4 beats. One more time. How many beats are in a measure? 4 beats. Now the bottom 4 tells us what note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 tell us? What note gets 1 beat? One more time. What does it tell us? What note gets 1 beat? Good. Now we're going to move on to the rhythms. And the way this process is going to work is I'm going to clap and count the rhythms. Then I'm going to give you a chance to practice. You're going to do it with me. And then you're going to try it by yourselves. So over here we have a half note, 2 quarter notes, 2 quarter notes, a half note, 4 quarter notes, and 2 half notes. Then we go down to the next line. We have 2 half notes, 4 quarter notes, 2 quarter notes, a half note, and a whole note. Reminder, half notes are 2 beats, quarter notes are 1 beat, and a whole note is 4 beats. So I'm going to go ahead and clap and count that. Listen to me first, then you're going to practice, then we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice it. All right, now when I count to 4, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, how did you do? If you got most of it or all of it, give yourselves a pat on the shoulder. Good job. If not, keep practicing. Here's the cool thing about YouTube. You can always rewind. All right, now try it by yourselves. Now we are going to go over the notes. After I go over the notes, I'm going to say the notes with the rhythm. Then you're going to do it with me, and then you're going to try it by yourselves. So over here we have a half note E, 2 quarter note Ds, a quarter note E, a quarter note G, a half note E, a quarter note F, a quarter note G, a quarter note A, a quarter note G, a half note E, a half note C, a half note D, a half note D, quarter note E, quarter note F, quarter note G, quarter note E, quarter note C, quarter note B, half note C, and a whole note C. Those are the notes. Quick reminder, if you're having trouble identifying the notes and you need more practice, go to lesson 1 on note names, and that will help you review how to identify each note. So now I'm going to say the notes in the rhythm. You're going to listen to me first, do it with me second, and then try it on your own third. E, D, D, E, G, E, F, G, A, G, E, C, D, D, E, F, G, E, C, B, C, C. Go ahead and practice that. All right, now let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, D, D, E, G, E, F, G, A, G, E, C, D, D, E, F, G, E, C, B, C, C. Now try it on your own. All right, now let's move down to exercise 2. Once again, you have the treble clef and the time signature. There's 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. How many beats are in a measure? Good, 4 beats. What note gets 1 beat? The quarter note. Good job. Now let's go over the rhythms. So we have 2 quarter notes there, a half note, another half note, 2 quarter notes, 4 quarter notes, 2 half notes, 2 half notes again, 2 quarter notes, a half note, 4 quarter notes, and a whole note. And one more reminder, quarter notes are 1 beat, half notes are 2 beats, whole notes are 4 beats. So I'm going to clap the rhythm. You're going to practice. We're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice that. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try it on your own. All right, now let's go over the notes. Over here we have a quarter note G, a quarter note F, a half note E, a half note D, a quarter note D, a quarter note C, quarter note D, quarter note E, quarter note F, quarter note G, half note A, half note G, half note G, half note F, quarter note E, quarter note D, half note E, quarter note C, quarter note B, quarter note C, quarter note E, and a whole note C. So now I'm going to say the notes within the rhythm. G, F, E, D, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, G, F, E, D, E, C, B, C, E, C. Go ahead and practice that. All right, let's try it together. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, G, F, E, D, E, C, B, C, E, C. Now try it on your own. Let's move down to exercise 3. So once again, we have our treble clef and our time signature. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in the measure. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. Now let's look at the rhythm. We have a half note, another half note, 4 quarter notes, a half note, 2 quarter notes, 2 quarter notes, a half note, 2 quarter notes, 4 quarter notes, a half note, and a whole note. I'm going to go ahead and clap the rhythm now. Then you're going to practice. We're going to do it together, and you're going to try it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice. All right, let's try it together. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and try it on your own. All right, let's go over the notes now. Here's a half note E, a half note D, quarter note E, quarter note G, quarter note E, quarter note D, half note C, quarter note E, quarter note F, quarter note G, quarter note A, half note G, half note E, quarter note F, quarter note E, quarter note C, quarter note D, quarter note E, quarter note D, half note C, half note B, whole note C. You know the routine by now. I do it first, we do it together, and then you try it. E, D, E, G, E, D, C, E, F, G, A, G, E, F, E, C, D, E, D, C, B, C. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together now. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, D, E, G, E, D, C, E, F, G, A, G, E, F, E, C, D, E, D, C, B, C. Now try it on your own. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you will get a chance to hear what this sounds like on your instrument. Thank you for participating in this lesson, and stay tuned for next week's lesson.
Today I will be playing your clarinet exercises for you. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. This is exercise 3. Today I will be playing your trumpet exercises for you. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. And this is exercise 3.